One man got like maybe $500 worth of diesel. And then he was sitting there talking about his car didn't work and could we just let him leave? No. And it's like, I remember I was asking Mike, how did he handle a situation like that? And Mike just sat there and was like, he told his cashier to stand flat footed and he'll be there in a minute. And I had a situation where that popped up and I had to take an example of what he said, tell my cashier to be flat footed and I'll be there in a minute. And I had to explain to that trucker, I don't care how he do it, figure it out. But he wasn't good. That truck wasn't moving until that bill was paid. In my stores, we've had a lot of stuff happen. So a lot of personal stuff happened with some of my cashiers and some of my other restaurants parts. So you just always have to remember that your employees are people. They have hearts, they have, emotions, and business is business, but you have to be able to willing to sit down and talk to them and have a vision for your employees beyond what they do now.